VSK Real Estate Management, a dedicated and professional division of the esteemed VSK Business Consultant, extends a warm welcome to all property owners in Chennai and the surrounding regions. We understand the significance of your real estate investments and are committed to providing comprehensive, reliable, and expert services tailored to meet your diverse needs. At the helm of VSK Business Consultant is our visionary founder, Vijay Mauli, a distinguished leader whose 41 years of multifaceted experience across a spectrum of industries brings unparalleled strategic insight and robust business acumen to our real estate operations. Vijay Mauli's profound understanding of the business landscape, coupled with his specific and extensive involvement in the real estate sector for over 30 years, forms the bedrock of VSK Real Estate Management's expertise. His deep immersion in the Chennai property market provides us with an intricate knowledge of local dynamics, enabling us to navigate complexities and deliver effective, results-oriented solutions for our valued clients. Furthermore, his direct, hands-on experience in the construction field for 15 years offers a unique and invaluable perspective to our construction, renovation, and maintenance services, ensuring meticulous attention to detail, superior quality, and efficient project management at every stage of development. As a valued property owner, we want to assure you that you can rely on our main point of contact for seamless access to our comprehensive and expertly guided property services throughout Chennai. Under the seasoned leadership of Vijay Mauli, VSK Real Estate Management offers specialized and integrated expertise across three key pillars. 1. Comprehensive property development and maintenance. Leveraging Vijay Mauli's extensive background in construction, we offer end-to-end solutions encompassing new construction and transformative renovation of a diverse range of properties, including independent houses, modern apartments, strategic commercial buildings, and functional factories. Our commitment extends beyond mere construction. We provide comprehensive repair and maintenance services, ensuring the longevity, structural integrity, and optimal condition of your valuable real estate assets. Our founders' deep-rooted understanding of construction principles and quality standards is embedded in every project we undertake, guaranteeing superior craftsmanship and timely completion. 2. End-to-end rental management solutions. Recognizing the complexities of managing rental properties, VSK Real Estate Management offers a complete suite of services designed to maximize your returns and minimize your stress. This includes meticulous handling of the rental lease agreements, the creation and diligent management of legally sound rental agreements, and the implementation of efficient and timely rental collection processes. To safeguard your investment and ensure a positive rental experience, our comprehensive process incorporates stringent tenant screening and thorough background checking, allowing us to secure reliable and responsible tenants for your properties. 3. Strategic property buying and selling assistance. With Vijay Mauli's vast market knowledge and extensive network cultivated over 3 decades in the Chennai real estate landscape, we provide expert guidance and unwavering support for individuals and organizations looking to buy or sell independent houses, apartments, commercial buildings, or factories. Our strategic approach involves in-depth market analysis, effective property valuation, targeted marketing campaigns, and skillful negotiation, ensuring smooth and successful transactions that align with your financial goals and timelines. At VSK Real Estate Management, our overarching aim is to be your central, trusted, and experienced partner for all your property-related endeavors in Chennai. Guided by the profound experience and strategic leadership of our founder, Vijay Mauli, we are steadfast in our commitment to providing unparalleled service, transparent communication, and achieving the best possible outcomes for every property owner we serve. For dedicated real estate consultation and to explore how our expertise can benefit you, please do not hesitate to contact us at 9840 336 999. We also invite you to visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in for more detailed information about our services and our company. Stay connected and informed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for insightful property related content. Follow our WhatsApp channel for quick updates. Like us on Facebook to join our community, and follow us on Instagram for visual insights into our projects and services. Trust VSK Real Estate Management, your reliable partner, a proud division of VSK Business Consultants. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to connect with you and provide you with exceptional real estate solutions tailored to your specific needs in Chennai.